In today's video, I'll show you how to create puzzles in CANVA. I'll be using CANVA Pro, which is completely free for educators. If you're a teacher and don't have CANVA Pro yet, you can find a link in the video description that explains exactly how to get CANVA Pro for educators with a simple step-by-step guide. To begin, open CANVA and click on Create a Design. Select Custom Size and set the dimensions to 1000 by 1000 pixels, which is an ideal size for making printable puzzles. Once your blank canvas opens, you can either upload your own image or choose one directly from CANVA. In this example, go to the Elements tab, search for Kitten, then switch to the Photos section. Choose any image you like and resize it so it fills the entire canvas neatly. Next, return to the Elements tab and search for the word Puzzle. Click on Graphics, where you'll find various puzzle-style overlays. Select a puzzle graphic that suits your design. After placing it on the canvas, CANVA will show magic recommendations, offering several puzzle variations and layouts. Scroll through these options and choose one that looks like a proper puzzle outline. Resize the puzzle overlay so it perfectly matches the image underneath. You can further customize your puzzle by changing the color of the puzzle lines to match your design or make them more visible. Adjust everything until you're happy with how it looks. Once your design is complete, click Share, then select Download. Choose the file format you prefer, download it, and your puzzle is ready to be printed and cut out. This method makes it easy to create fun, personalized puzzles for classrooms, activities, or creative projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.